Welcome. In this video, we're going to begin our orientation of Jenkins by creating a job. First, I'm going to open up my browser and go to our local Jenkins installation, which is at localhost:8080. This opens up our local Jenkins installation. Notice on the left-hand side, we have several items which are high level. We have our build queue, which there's nothing in queue, and we have our build executor status. We'll go into this more as we build jobs. And right in the middle, when you first start and there aren't any jobs created, you have a nice little inviting message to create a new job. So let's do that. So click on Create a New Job. Let's name this First Job. In Jenkins, jobs and projects are interchangeable. There are several types of jobs or projects we can create. We have Freestyle, Maven, External, and Multi-Configuration. In this course, we'll be covering both Freestyle and Maven, but we're going to start off with the Freestyle project. So select that item and then click on the OK button. The next screen is actually the configuration for this job. So we can scroll through and see what we have available, which really isn't a whole lot for the Freestyle build. Part of that is there's just not a lot that comes with Jenkins by default, which can be extended later with plugins, which we will cover. Another reason why there's not a lot here, that is the bulk of the work can be done with build steps which are added individually, as well as post-build actions, which happen after the build. Let's start off with our first build step. I'm going to click on Add Build Step, which gives me a nice drop-down. Since we're on a Windows system, I'm going to select Execute Windows Batch Command. Before we type in the command to use, I want to show you exactly what's going to happen by using the Windows command prompt to do exactly what the command is going to be. So I'm going to go to my Start menu and then open up the command prompt. The command we're going to use is echo. So type echo space and then in double quotes, hi. Once you've done that, press enter. And as you might imagine, the echo command simply echoes or repeats whatever you pass in to the echo command. This is all we're going to have Jenkins do right now. So now that we're done with the command prompt, let's close it. Then back in our browser, in our build step, let's type in that same command. Echo, then a space, then in double quotes, hi. Once we've done that, we can click on the Save button. Great. After saving the configuration for our first job, it lands us on our project's main page.